family, welcome to another vlog. Now as you can see this background, I'm actually shooting this video into a washroom because I'm traveling. I'm actually onto a mini holiday, and I thought that why not share with you few my skincare tips that I take into consideration when I'm traveling. So today I'm going to talk about one important thing about skincare when you are traveling, that is sunscreen. Because we are out, we are more prone to sun exposure, we are more prone to sunburns and tanning. We should apply sunscreen every day. You can go back and watch my previous videos that I've always focused upon applying sunscreen on a daily basis. But when we are traveling, we should take more care about sunscreen. So I would like to share with you that I use a special type of sunscreen when I'm traveling, and this is world's number one dermatocosmetologist recommended sunscreen. So I would love to share this with you, so keep watching this video. I always feel prevention is better than cure. If you prevent your skin from getting damaged, that by applying sunscreen on a regular basis, you have to apply very much little treatment like vitamin C or vitamin A to prevent skin issues or to treat skin issues. So prevention is always better than cure. So always apply a sunscreen. That should be your number one target in your skincare regimen. And always do healing in the night, like apply some good moisturizer depending upon your skin tone. So you can go into my previous videos and you can check out, I've spoken about so many sunscreens. Okay, so without further delay, let me talk about this wonderful number one sunscreen that is from Avene. This is an emulsion sunscreen with SPF 50+. Now what is wonderful about this sunscreen is that it is an emulsion form, and this gives you a benefit with sun protection. Now you must be thinking, what makes this number one sunscreen in dermatocosmetologic market? Now, like every other sunscreen that I have spoken in my previous vlogs, this is also UVA and UVB SPF protection. But what makes this number one is that it is a certified UVA compliant, it is very much water stable, and it is 100% photo stable also. Now what happens is that during traveling, we always sweat, and it is not always feasible for us to apply sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. Like dermatologists, they do recommend that you should apply sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. So it is not always feasible because we are traveling, we are enjoying, and who will apply the sunscreen? So if this sunscreen does the part. It is very much water stable. Even if you're traveling and you're going into pool or it's raining outside, this will give you protection during those times also. Why I recommend this sunscreen and why I use this sunscreen especially during traveling is because it is having one particular thermal spring water ingredient which is having anti-soothing and anti-irritant property. Now these all properties you usually find in a moisturizer, but these two properties are present in a sunscreen. Now during traveling we do sweat a lot and we tend to break out also. We do get acne after our holidays, after our vacations. So whenever I have applied this sunscreen, I never have any issues of acne or pimple because it has anti-irritant and soothing properties as well. Second important point that I loved about the sunscreen is that it is having mattifying effect. It is lightweight, not greasy at all, no white cast, nothing. You will have a beautiful glow as soon as you apply this sunscreen. I have applied this sunscreen since morning. Now it has been more than 6 hours. I do not do much of makeup during traveling. I do not apply foundation unless and until it is very much important, because I believe it just clogs your pores. So what I do is I just apply this sunscreen, and this gives me a beautiful glow on my face. It also protects you from sun. Around 99% protection you get for up to 4 hours, which is beautiful, I feel, in any sunscreen. This makes undoubtedly this number one sunscreen in dermatocosmetologic world. Like all the sunscreen, you have to apply this 20 to 30 minutes before going out into the sun. It is having a nice, beautiful, glossy finish, and you will love the texture. Once you start applying this, it will give you a beautiful glow, and the glow will last for around 4 to 6 hours. you require minimum makeup after applying the sunscreen. Whenever I'm traveling, I do not forget to apply this. Even if I forget everything else, this is the must. This is the first thing that I put it into my bag, also in my handbag. Okay, and I have been applying this sunscreen for more than 2 years now, and I do not feel any need of changing any brand or anything. You will see as soon as you apply this, you will get that glossy glowing effect onto your skin. I've just applied a very little amount on my face just to show you people. You have to apply little more concentration on a sunny day or whenever you are traveling. Just a little I've applied to show you. Can you see the glow? I do not require anything else. I've applied nothing on my face, just a light gloss on my lips, and I'm done. Apply more concentration and you are ready to go outside after 30 minutes. That's what you have to do. You have to just protect your skin, and in the evening make sure that you wash your face properly, remove all your makeup if you are applying any, and apply a good apply a good moisturizer depending upon your skin type, a good eye cream, tie up your hair and go to sleep. Take good night's sleep. That's what you require for a healthy skin. I hope you like my video. Do apply a sunscreen during traveling. Do not forget to try Avene sunscreen, and do subscribe and like. Bye bye.